Friends, welcome back to AppIQ, and in this video I'm going to show you how to download games on your Android or Samsung phone. You want to open up the Samsung store or the Play Store. Let's use the Play Store as an example. And once you're here, if you look towards the bottom, you can find games, apps, search, and even books. So just simple tap on games, or if you know a particular game, you can always use the search, right? And search for something. I don't know which one I want to download. So let's just look at some games that are available. So as you can see, when you click for you, they will show you a bunch of sponsored games, and you can also find recommendations as well. You can also tap on top chart and you will find some games. So let's use the first one, Block Blast. You can tap in that, then click on install. Then I can choose not now, and you can see that it's installing, and there it says ready to play. So I'm going to click on play, and you can see the game is actually loading. I'm going to click on don't allow, consent, and there you have it, guys. Game is already installed on my phone, and I'm ready to go ahead and start playing this game. So that's it, guys. That's how you can download and play games on your Android or Samsung Galaxy phone. Very easy and very simple.